Little Buno! Learn and play!
Hello, Little Buno.
Hello! Yay! Peekaboo! Ooh! Look! A box!
A yellow box.
What is inside? Oh, pen. Oh, an apple!
A red apple.
Mine? Ah.
Sweet.
That was yummy.
Is there something else inside?
Let's look. Hello? Oh,
Quack,
a duck!
quack, a yellow duck.
Got you!
Squeeze.
Bye-bye, duck.
Something bright.
Oh? Shiny. Yay! A star!
Have fun, Buno. Warm. Twinkle, twinkle, Buno.
It was so great seeing you today. I have to run. See you soon. Bye-bye.